Dignitaries from all walks of life gathered here at the St. Peter's Clever Church, Shandam, which includes Oyo State Governor Seyi Makinde, that of Benue and Ogun, Reverend Father Hyacinth Aliyah, Dakwa Abiodun, and former Governor Yesan Wike, among others. They are here in memory of late Dongban-Mensem, son of the President of Court of Appeal, Justice Monica Dongban-Mensem.
We are celebrating the memorial of our son, whom we believe he trusted in God and God will reward him.
The Bishop of Shandam, Most Reverend Philip Dung, who prayed for the repose of the soul of late Parker, appealed to Nigerian leaders not to abandon the people.
So please, let us see how we can inject more hope into our own people. We can build confidence in our own people so that our people will have a reason to live and a reason to die, whatever it is.
Governor Mutfwang, his Oyo State counterpart Seyi Makinde, who spoke on behalf of the Governors Forum, all extolled the virtues of late Parker.
I pray that you continue to enjoy the comfort of the Lord in every sense of the word.
Nigerian governors encourage you and also to pray that in this environment, in this place, you will not bury your young ones again.
A multi-purpose hall built in memory of late Parker was commissioned as part of the event by the Director General, Nigeria Maritime Administration and Safety Agency Bashir Jimo, along with Governor Mutfwang and other dignitaries.